Hi, in this video we will discuss section formula on a number line and a coordinate plane. So far we have discussed fractional distance and the distance on a number line and the coordinate plane. So what is the normal distance on a number line? So let's say if you have a point A to B, this is x1, x2. The distance is mod of x2 minus x1. That is just simple distance between 2 points. Now if you have a point C between A and B, from A to B there is a point C. So what is the fractional distance of point C from A to B? So the fractional distance will be A over B x2 minus x1, right? This is what we have studied. Now coordinate for point C, coordinate for point C will be point C will be first point plus A over B x2 minus x1, right? This is your fractional distance on a number line. This is the coordinate of point C on a number line. That's the simple thing. Now, what is the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane? So on a coordinate plane, let me just draw the plane here. Let's say this is your x-axis and okay. This is your x-axis, y-axis. Now for 2 points, let's say this is your line segment AB. This point is x1 comma y1 and this point is x2 comma y2. Now what is the distance between these 2 points? Now in this case the distance is d is equal mod of square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That was the distance formula for a line on a coordinate plane. Okay, for the segment AB on a coordinate plane. Now in this one we will discuss the section formula. Okay, in this one we will discuss the section formula. Now first on a number line. So let's say you have a number line. Let me just take a question here. Okay, this one. So you have find B on segment AC. So let's say you have a segment A to C and you have a point B on segment AC such that the ratio AB to BC is 3 over 4. AB 3, BC 4. Now how you will find the B? What does it mean? Find the coordinate for B. So let's say this point is x1 and this point is x2. In this case the coordinate will be you multiply this number with this and this number with this. Okay, here so 3x2 plus 4x1 over 3 plus 4. That is on a number line. Okay, let's just take one more example. So let's just forget about this one right now. Just forget about this one. So let's say on a number line you have segment AB, point C is in between, and this point is dividing or partitioning this segment AB in the ratio of m n. So let's try to write a standard formula. This is x1, x2 on a number line. So what is the coordinate for C? Coordinate for point C. So that will be you multiply m with x2. So mx2 plus n with x1. Okay. So nx1 over m plus n. This is the coordinate formula or the location of point C on a number line. Now what if I ask you on a coordinate plane? If we ask on a coordinate plane, if we ask on a coordinate plane, so let me just draw a coordinate plane, a rough one. So again, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. A segment AB, let's say like this, and you have a point M, let's say in between. Now if it is dividing this segment AB in the ratio of M and N, okay? Now this is your x1, y1, this is your x2 and y2. Now how you will find the location or the coordinate for M? So coordinate for M will be 2 points, right? I mean not 2 points, I mean 1 point, but x and y. So in this case, to find the x coordinate of point M, so x coordinate point M will be M multiply, again this number multiply with x2 plus N multiply x1. Only take x coordinate, only this and this. So let me just take a different color. This multiply with this and this multiply with this, right? Over M plus N. Now what about the y coordinate? Similarly, for y coordinate of this point will be M y2 plus N y1 over M plus N. That's it. That's how you will find the coordinate of a point on a number line and in the coordinate plane. Alright, now let's just take one example here. So let's say this point is -3 comma -4, and this point is somewhere, let's say 2 comma 2. Okay, it is dividing in the ratio of, let's say, 3 2. So just substitute the value here. How you will do it? Here you will put, okay, let me just write it clearly here. So xm is equal, m is 3 times 3 times x2 is 2 plus n is 2, x1 is -3 over 3 plus 2, right? Solve this and you will get the coordinate for x coordinate of point M, and y coordinate of point M will be similarly 3. This 3 multiply with y2, which is again 2, plus 2 multiply with y1, which is -4, and again 3 plus 2. Solve this and you will get your y coordinate for point M. So that's how you will find the coordinate of the point on a coordinate plane. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.